Hello everyone and welcome back to RysFix. And guys, do you know that how you can determine what is wrong with your car just by looking at the smoke that comes out of your silencer? Do you know what this smoke indicates? If not, then keep watching this video because in this video I am going to show you guys exactly how to determine what your smoke indicates. So let's get started guys. So the silencer of this car is right here, as you guys can see. So if from your silencer black colored smoke comes out every time you start the car or when you are driving, something like this, what that means is too much fuel is entering your combustion chamber. Now there can be many reasons why too much fuel is reaching your combustion chamber. Some of them I will show you now. So first I will explain to you the working mechanism of an engine. Air and fuel reaches the combustion chamber and then with the help of the spark it burns. On the piston second cycle it exits itself through the exhaust port. Now if through your exhaust pipe black smoke comes out, then you don't have to worry much about it. The black smoke depends upon your vehicle combustion, which is controlled by the ECU or by the computer. Black smoke means rich fuel mixture, means if too much fuel is reaching your combustion chamber, then your spark can only burn a certain amount of fuel. It cannot burn all of it in one circle because there is too much fuel in the combustion chamber. So all the unburnt fuel, instead of burning in the combustion chamber, it goes out to the exhaust port and it burns itself there in the exhaust pipe itself. And that is the reason why you see black smoke. Now there can be many reasons because of which there is rich air fuel mixture. Here I will list some of them. It can happen if your fuel injector is leaking, if your fuel return pipe is blocked, or if there is a problem with your oxygen sensor or the airflow sensor, or if your fuel pressure regulator is stuck closed. And guys, if your air filter is dirty, then that also restricts proper airflow inside of your combustion chamber, because of which the air fuel mixture ratio changes. As a result, less air and too much fuel is inside your combustion chamber now. So that can also be a reason. So guys, the next is if from your silencer pipe blue colored smoke is coming out, something like this. So if the smoke that comes out of your car silencer looks something like this, then guys, you must know that in your combustion chamber oil is reaching. Now there can be many reasons why the oil can be leaking inside of your combustion chamber. Why that can happen, that I will show you now. Now blue smoke means oil is reaching your combustion chamber and your fuel and oil are burning together inside of the combustion chamber, and then it exits itself through the exhaust port. The reason why this can happen is it can happen because of engine wear, to cylinder wear, to piston wear, to valve wear out, or if there is a seal failure. Damaged valve stem seals and guides can also be a reason for the oil to leak inside of your combustion chamber from on top of the cylinder head, and a damaged piston ring can also be a reason why your oil reaches your combustion chamber, which comes through the crankcase. Now because there are too many types of pressures in one cycle inside of your combustion chamber, it will pull oil like how it pulls air and fuel through the inlet valve. This can lead to lack of compression within the cylinders. It will increase the pressure within the crankcase, and it will also decrease the power of your car, guys. Now the third type of smoke that can be coming out from your silencer pipe of your car is the white colored smoke. If a little bit of white smoke is coming out from your car silencer, then it is fine, guys. That is like a steam that comes out every morning when you start your car for the first time. It is because hot air is coming out from your silencer and the outside environment is cold. That is the reason why you can see that steam, a slight foggy type of a smoke coming out from your silencer, which is completely normal, guys. Don't worry about it. If your car engine has become hot now, and outside if it is not too hot, and still if through your car silencer pipe white colored steam like smoke is coming out, then the reason can be a head gasket failure or your cylinder head might be cracked because of overheating. But if too much white smoke is coming out from your car silencer like this, what this means is now coolant has started to leak inside of your combustion chamber, guys. Somehow water is reaching your combustion chamber. Now this is a very big problem, guys. If this happens, then you will have to open your engine. You might have to replace some of the gaskets because this is a very big problem, guys. Now there can be many reasons why this can be happening. Some of the reasons I will show you now. Now guys, the head gasket is designed to keep your oil and coolant system separate and to keep the cylinder head and combustion chamber together. If the gasket gets cut, then it will send all those liquids in a place where they should not reach, and if your head gasket gets cracked in one particular place, then it will allow the coolant to enter the combustion chamber. Then your engine will try to burn the water and fuel inside of the combustion chamber, which will damage your engine, and it will create a big white steam engine like smoke which comes out to the silencer. If this happens, then see that you stop your car engine right there and start to pray. So guys, I'm hoping by watching this video you now know what different types of smoke determines or what it indicates, on which you can find out what is the fault inside of your car engine. So now on the smoke that comes out of your car silencer, you can indicate or you can understand what is wrong with your engine. Hoping that this video was useful to you guys, and I'm hoping that you have learned a lot in this video. So that's all in this video guys, and I will see you now in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.
You gotta take